Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and today we're in the garage, but we're not working on cars. We're working on a toolbox. Broke my key off inside the lock cylinder, and now I can't get into my toolbox. So how can we fix this? Well, we're going to try some things today. I think you're going to like it. So with that, let's shut up and let's get the wrenching on this week's episode. All right, as you can see, it is in there pretty darn good, and I can't, there's not even a head, it's flat. So first things first, we gotta lube it up. We're gonna use good old Pussy Blaster. All right, let that sit for a couple seconds. I jumped on Amazon to find a lock picking kit, and this is what I got. A whole bunch of these things. So let's see if we can't use one of these to get that out. First one just has a little hook to it. Well, now that rock's trying to turn on me. Okay, let's get in here. It moved. You can see I'm going in where there's any open spots and just trying to hook it. And you could probably do this with a straight pin, safety pin, thumbtack, if you don't want to buy the kit. There it is. Got it. Came out. Look at that. Took a few minutes. We got it out. All right, guys. Pretty simple. Get one of these kits before you need it. I mean, have it in your toolbox or maybe not in your toolbox. I mean, just saying. Link down below to get yourself one of these off of Amazon. Yes, you will make me a nickel or something, but trust me, you're going to want to have this pick set with you when you need it most. And you have to order it. It's not going to be when you need it most. So with that, I'll see you guys next week for another episode on Arrowhead Garage.